How to send money on Revolut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can send money on Revolut. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Revolut application and log into your account. Once you're logged in and you are on your home page, navigate to the bottom of the interface. There is a transfer option. Tap on transfer. After that, you will land on the next page. From here, tap on New from the top right corner with a blue button. After that, from this interface, you have to tap on Bank Recipient from the first option on your interface. Now, after that, you have to fill in the account details of the recipient. So make sure to fill in the correct information, and once you're done, you can simply transfer the money with a single tap. So that's how you can send money on Revolut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.